Table song. It's as easy as can be. Harry, sing along with me.
I hope you all had fun listening to the 3xtables song. He's some funky Jamaican dude, isn't he? But that's a really good way of learning your 3xtables, is skip counting in threes. Here we have some missing numbers on a hundreds chart. What's the largest number that's missing on this chart? Can you see? It's the number 30, isn't it? And there I can count in tens. 10, 20, 30. Let's see if we can put in some other numbers here. What about counting in fives? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. What about counting in twos? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, there's another one, 18, 9, 20, 22, 24, and 27. Okay, good. All right, 26, 28, 30. I've just got a few more gaps there. Now, I'm wondering what they might be. Well, I can tell that this one here is 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Do you know what those numbers are missing all have in common? They're skip counting in 3. That's right, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30, our 3xtables. Today we're going to review skip counting by 3 to help us learn our 3 times multiplication facts. So just like in the video, I'm going to skip count in 3 for each of these boxes. Ready? We start with 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. That's skip counting in threes. Each of these numbers has a matching multiplication fact. The first one here is 1 times 3 equals 3, or 1 lot of 3 is 3. The next one is 2 times 3 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9, 4 times 3 equals 12, 5 times 3 equals 15, and all the way up to 10 times 3 equals 30. Which of these facts have you already learnt? I'm going to loop the ones that I think we already know, okay? I think we'll start up here in the left-hand corner. I think we know 1 times 3 is 3. One group of 3 is 3. And we also know our 2xtables. That 2 times 3 is just double. Double 3 equals 6. We know our doubles facts by now. What else do we know? We know 5 times 3 equals 15. 5, 10, 15. Yep, we know our 5xtables because we can skip count in fives. We also know our 10xtables because anything times by 10, we just add a 0 to the number. So 10 times 3 equals 30. Now, what about these other ones here? Is there a strategy that we could use to work out each of these facts? How could we build upon from a multiplication fact that we already know? Okay, I know that 2 rows of 7 is 14. How could I work out the number of dots for 3 rows of 7? Let me think about that for a minute. I could add another lot of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if 2 rows of 7 is 14, then 3 rows of 7 is 14 plus 7 more. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 3 lots of 7 equals 21. I'm using my doubles and adding on one more lot. So now I can also circle 7 times 3 equals 21, because I know that 7 times 2 is 14 plus 7 more equals 21. What else can we try here? Well, we can use that same strategy for all the ones here that are left uncircled. We just have to say turn it around and do the doubles and plus one more lot of that number. Let's have a look at 6 times 3 equals 18. Right, well 6 times 3 equals 18. What I'm going to do is do the turnaround first of 3 times 6, and that still equals 18, of course. Now, I know, I'm just going to draw a line here, what 2 times 6 equals, because I know my doubles. Double 6 is 12. Now, to work out what 3 times 6 is, I'm just going to add on 6 more to my 12 to get 18. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And my answer is 18. So I can always use the strategy of my doubles and add on the same amount again. With 4 times 3 equals 12, we can say it that way, or we can turn it around and say 3 times 4. Again, it doesn't matter where it's great to do turnarounds. So I know what 2 times 4 equals, because I know my doubles. 2 times 4 equals 8. Now to get 3 times 4, I just add another lot of 4 onto my 8. 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 3 times 4 equals 12, making sure I use my double strategy and add one more lot on. Let's have a quick look at this array here. I can see that I have 3 rows of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 times 8. Now, if I had 2 times 8, I know my doubles are 16. But I haven't. I've got 3 times 8. So I need to add 8 more onto 16. So 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 3 times 8 equals 24. And now I can also write the turnaround for it, which is 8 rows of 3 equals 24.